the unboxing of the, I think it's IRHAPSODY 12 volt 40 amp slash 30 amp relay switch with harness. It's a waterproof one. This is the unboxing video. Purchased on Amazon. Looks like it has some circuit diagrams to help you connect the relays. And you get 5 of them. These were purchased to work with our water pump system to add Wi-Fi control. Since the Wi-Fi controller can only handle up to 10 amps, so these relay switches will allow us to handle up to 30/40 amps. Thank you for watching.